Stop scrolling. If you love crispy, cheesy snacks, this restaurant style chili cheese toast will be ready in just 10 minutes and it tastes amazing. Wow, super. You try now? Take a bowl and add chopped garlic, chopped green chili, chopped coriander leaves, chopped red capsicum, chopped green capsicum, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, salt to taste, 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Now mix everything properly. Make sure the butter and cheese are well combined with the vegetables. This mixture in the art of our recipe, the better you mix, the better then taste. Now switch on the stove and heat a pan on low to medium flame. Take bread slice and lightly toast one side only. This step is very important because it helps keep the toast crispy after adding the cheese. Once one side is toasted, flip the bread. Cut the sides of the bread. Now spread the cheese mixture evenly on the toasted side. Make sure to spread it nicely up to the edges so every bite is full of cheesy and vegetables. Now add little butter to the pan for extra crispiness. Place the prepared bread on the pan. Want it extra cheesy? Go add it and sprinkle some more cheese on top because more cheese is always better. And close the lid. Cook on low flame until the cheese melts completely. Do not cook on high flame, otherwise the bread might be burned before the cheese melts. After 2 to 3 minutes, check the bottom. It should be golden brown and crispy. Wow, look at this perfectly melted cheese and crispy base. If you enjoy the recipe, please like this video and comment cheesy below. Share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.